You're scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m. See some finance bro yelling about index funds making you a millionaire. So you dump your first $5,000 in. Excited, right? Fast forward 6 months. You check your app. Crickets. Barely moved. That's literally me 5 years ago, staring at my Vanguard account wondering why it's growing slower than my grandma's tomato plants. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about why smart people like you and me stay broke longer than we should. If you're someone who finally started investing but feels like your money's stuck in neutral, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most gurus say index funds are set it and forget it magic. Not quite. Your first $5,000 grows 10 times slower than the next chunks. And it's not bad luck. It's math, plus your brain screwing you. Let's break it down.
All right,
The
let's
math
get into
that
this.
shocks.
First, the basics.
Start
Pay
with
close
the
attention.
numbers. Say the S&P 500 averages 10% annual returns. Historical fact from Vanguard data since 1926. Drop $5,000 today. Year 1. About $500 gain. Solid, right? But compound that solo? After 10 years, it's roughly $13,000. Not bad. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Add just $200 a month after that first lump. That same $5,000 seed hits $45,000 in 10 years. Why? Dollar cost averaging supercharges compounding. Your early bucks work harder when you feed them consistently. Without it, that first $5,000 is like a lone wolf. Grows, but 10 times slower than a pack. Fidelity stats show inconsistent investors lag by 30% over a decade. This is where it gets really interesting. It's not lazy math, it's your brain. Psychologists call it commitment bias. You pat yourself on the back for that first $5,000, I'm an investor now, then life hits. Rent, tacos, that impulse AirPod buy. Behavioral finance pioneer Daniel Kahneman proved we overestimate one-time wins and underestimate habits. Result? Your money starves. It's like planting one seed in rocky soil. It sprouts slow, but water it weekly? Boom! Garden. I learned this the hard way. My first $5,000 sat for 2 years while I waited for the perfect time. Lost $20,000 in potential gains. Now, you might be thinking, Zach, I don't have $200 a month. Fair, but skipping destroys velocity. Objection handled, even $50 a month flips the script. Here's your fix. 3 steps. Start tonight. Automate $100 plus monthly into a low-fee index like VTI or VOO. Apps like Vanguard make it brain-dead easy. Track with a simple spreadsheet. Initial lump plus monthly equals projected growth. Plug in 8 to 10% return. Watch it explode. Fight the psych. Set a no-touch rule for 6 months. Tell a buddy for accountability. Picture Mike, my viewer from last month. Dropped $4,000. Added $150 per month. 6 months in, up 12% already. Beat the market. That's you next. Your first $5,000 isn't the win. Consistent fuel after is. Stop letting psychology rob your future. I'm frustrated seeing you repeat my mistakes, but pumped you'll crush this. Hit subscribe for more no BS breakdowns. Drop a comment. What's your first index fund amount? And share this if it woke you up. Go automate that transfer. Your millionaire self thanks you.